Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the future of affiliate marketing by exploring the top-notch programs you will want to promote in 2024. Stick around as we uncover the hottest opportunities for your success in the coming year. Without delay, let's dive into the list. And number one in the list is Active Campaign Affiliate Program, which is email marketing. You can see they are providing earn an average of $1350 per referral. This is a huge opportunity. So just become affiliate, just click on this link and enter your email and start your affiliate journey. And in the number 2 list is Kinsta. Kinsta is a web hosting platform, WordPress web hosting platform. You can see manage your WordPress hosting. You can earn commission up to earn a one-time commission between $50 to $500 plus 10% recurring monthly commission on every WordPress package, which means every time they purchase you will get 10% recurring, means monthly. Every time they purchase you will get commission. For other refer application hosting, you will get 5% recurring monthly commission. For database hosting you will get 5% recurring commission. This is the best and huge opportunity for affiliate. And number 3, Getresponse. They have two types of affiliate programs. One is recurring program and bounty affiliate program. For recurring program you will get 33% every month for your referral, and for bounty program you will get only $100 per sale and you don't get any recurring. So it is your choice to choose whether you want to go for recurring commission or bounty commission. This is also an email marketing software, like it is we can say it is all-in-one. You can see here email marketing autoresponders, marketing automation, SMS marketing, web push. You can see all its features. This is the best affiliate program and this is very oldest and running successfully from the past decades. So this is the best affiliate program we can promote in the next coming year. And number 4 affiliate program is Hopspot. Hopspot is a all-in-one marketing platform like Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, Commerce Hub, CMS Hub, and this commission rate is insane. You can see 30% recurring commission. They have 180 days cookie window. They have excellent customer support and they will also provide performance reports. You can go through their website. They have levels like HubSpot affiliate, super affiliate, elite affiliate. As per your level your commission rate will be increased. So this is the best opportunity who are ready to promote a huge number of sales. They are providing 80% welcome bonus opportunity. You can send your starting point here. 100 to 200 signups per month you will get 30% recurring commission up to 1 year plus additional bonuses. And after 200 plus signups they have some custom commission which will be more than this 30%. You can go through this page, simply click on the become a HubSpot affiliate link button here and you are good to go. And number 5 in the list is Fiverr affiliates. This is really insane affiliate program because you can see here It is so simple to sign up for the platform. Like you can join immediately and start promoting as soon as you join. There is no need of no need to wait for approval. Like here you can see commission rates. Uh, like here Fiverr CPA $15 to $150 cost per acquisition. CPA means, and another hybrid, another plan which is $10 CPA plus 10% revenue share. And if you scroll down here you can see Fiverr Pro $100 plus 10%, Fiverr affiliates 10% of every referred affiliates earning for a lifetime. And here Fiverr logo maker, here $30. And if you see if you scroll down little more, you can see all the plans and the payment rates. This is the best affiliate program, I can say. It's really worth promoting, guys. So don't wait for the opportunity, just create it and start earning with Fiverr affiliates. And next in the list is Teachable. Guys, it is for course creators, and you can earn huge commissions because they are paying 30% commissions. Here you can see up to 30% commission, 30-day cookie policy. And you can see if you scroll down here, their partners earn $450 per month on average and earn $1,000 or more every month with a 30-day cookie policy. You make a 30% commission when anyone purchases a Teachable subscription. This is a subscription based service, so this is a great opportunity. So you can earn huge amount of money. We can say this is a high ticket product, so don't miss out. This is all about Teachable. And next in the list is Clickfunnels. Guys, Clickfunnels is a great great platform. This is a sales funnel and website, one page website builder. People are earning millions of dollars using this Clickfunnels affiliate program. This is super easy, and you can easily sign up and start earning money from day one. They will easily approve your application if you have at least one website. So you can see 30% monthly recurring commission for life. And here you can see dream car. If they will provide your dream car like this for the topmost affiliates. They are providing like leaderboards. So for this for the top level affiliates will get their dream car. Like here you can see they are providing 14-day free trial and 30% recurring commission. They have different products, funnel challenge like PLR funnels, funnel templates. Currently running Clickfunnels 2.0. It is yet to release, so you will get huge money through this Clickfunnels affiliate program. And next in the list is ConvertKit. ConvertKit is a email marketing and landing page builder tool. You can see here features: email designer, email marketing, deliverability, visual automation integrations like landing pages, create a network, forms. So you can earn decent amount of commissions using this ConvertKit. You can see 30% recurring commissions for up to 24 months, which means up to 2 years you will get recurring commissions of 30%. And the sign up process is so simple. Just click on this provide your email and enter your password and continue with the application. After the review, you will get approval easily, but at least you have one website or any traffic channel you are going to promote. So this is a good opportunity with ConvertKit. And number 9 in the list is BluHost. This is well-known platform. This is web hosting company, and you can see their affiliate program is you will get $65 for each qualified sign up or referral. And if you want to see cookie duration, they will provide here maybe $65. How will I get paid? Maybe they didn't provide cookie duration. Let's search. Yeah, here you can see 90 days cookie duration they are providing, which means once your referral clicks on your affiliate link and purchase within 90 days, that commission amount will be added into your affiliate account only. So this is a great advantage with this. BluHost is a very old and affordable pricing web hosting company. You can definitely try this. And number 10 in the list is my favorite affiliate program, which is Hostinger. Here you can see we can instant sign up. You can see here instantly we can sign up. There is no need to wait for the approval, and you will get 60% commission for every sale. But the thing is, referred customers should not have any previous Hostinger account, otherwise you won't get any amount. So this is the huge 60% commission rate is very huge, and their cookie duration is also like maybe 60 days, I guess. Let's see. No, they didn't provide. Maybe almost 2 to 3 months, like 60 days to 90 days their cookie duration. And this is very easiest affiliate program. We can easily promote anyone with this program. So here says affiliate. Here we can sign in or sign up. If you don't have any account, just sign up here. It is a simple process, but at least you should have any traffic source like website or YouTube channel or blog or something, anything. So this is the best affiliate program, I can say. So don't miss the opportunity. Currently running Black Friday sale, so it is easy to promote. Here you can see 85% off. So in Black Friday offer, we can easily promote with this discount. And last but not least in the list is SemRush. SemRush is a well-known keyword researching tool platform. This is a huge number of users are using this platform. We can easily promote this through doing some videos, how to tutorials, because this is one of the best platform. This is a competitor to Ahrefs website. Ahrefs is not accepting affiliates. So here SemRush currently providing like 120 days cookie duration, and you can see earn $200 for every new subscription sale and $10 for every new lead. New lead in the sense once they sign up, $0.01 for the new sign up. For every new sign up, you will get $0.01. For every new lead, you will get $10 and $200 for the subscription plans. So this is the best affiliate program to earn. We can say this is as a high ticket product, so don't miss out the opportunities. This is for today's. I hope I have covered all the best affiliate platforms which you can promote right away. Thanks for watching this video. If you find value in the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Wishing you success in your affiliate marketing journey. Until next time, happy promoting. Bye bye.